Here's Lila at 3 months old in her Jolly Jumper. She still hasn't quite mastered how it's supposed to work, but she does some spinning. Come back this way, silly. Back this way. Here, turn around. Here, turn around. Come this way. Oh, let's see. Turn around this way. Here's your jumps. Are you jumping? Jumpy, 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 jump. There, now keep going. Yep, she doesn't like to do it by herself, but she does like the jumping when we push on it. Well, it was a good effort. It was a good effort. Was that a hiccup? Oh, back to the circle move. Back to the circle. You're supposed to jump, silly. Like this. Jumpy, jumpy, jump, jump, jump. Jumpy, jumpy, jump, 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 jump. Oh, you got the hiccups. Okay, say goodbye.